Do you feel the vibes?
Hey guys, Charlie Boy here, and welcome to an unboxing / review of the Sony WH-CH510 Bluetooth wireless headphones. 35 hours of play, apparently. Guess we'll be testing that. We have music playback time 35 hours. 10-minute charge gets to play 90 minutes. Swivels for flat and easy portability. We have hands-free calling, voice assistant, USB Type-C, but from what I've heard, there's no headphone jack on this. So, I guess we'll see how that is. So they're full wireless. Let's grab a knife. See if we can get this out of here. Got a nice little hunting knife. Nice little hunting knife right here. Let's just see if we can. Nice little cut right there. Boom. Open it up. See how this thing works. Okay, so we have our headphones. Is there any tape? There's no tape on the bottom. So, how's this open? It's a lot of different packaging. I think you need to. Yes, there's a pull tab up here also. So, just a pull from top or what? And you pull this, push through the bottom. I know how to package apparently. We have the headphones. We have your pamphlet. Everything you need. Look at that. Let's set this aside. We'll look at this real quick. See how this goes. Okay. So we have our USB Type-C cable. As you can see right here. Plain old USB Type-C. Very short. Very short. Have all your instructions. So I got, normally these are $80. I got these for $40 at Walmart on rollback. So, guess we'll see how good these are. So they were half off. I think that's pretty good. Yeah, for half off. Very plasticky. Very, very plasticky. They have this, like, weird texture on them. If you can hear that. Hold up to the mic. So, they seem to fit pretty good. It's kind of hard to hear myself with them on. See, no headphone jack. It's just, you have your mic, your USB Type-C, and your volume and pause wheels, your pause buttons and stuff. They fold like this, they swivel. So, I am going to, I'm going to use these for a few hours, and I'll be back to tell you guys how they were, I guess. So, we'll be back. Hey guys, we are back. I've been using these for a few hours. They seem really good. Pretty comfortable. Really comfortable. They do hurt your ears after a little bit, but they're so light you barely notice they're there, but you do feel them on your hands, like not on your hands, on your ears, just sitting on your ears because they're on ear. They get kind of hot, like not like they don't actually get hot, but like they make your ears sweat a little bit. But for $40 headphones, pretty good. I do recommend these. They are very, very nice headphones. Very good bass. All that. So, I haven't tried a call with them. I'll put in the description if they sound good with calls. Just check that if you want to know if they sound good with calls. If you want me to do a mic test of them, I will. Just comment if you want a mic test of these. They're pretty flexible. I had Skull Candy headphones, and they were a lot less flexible. Well, they were more flexible, I guess, but right here they snapped right in that area. So hopefully these don't do that. Well, anyway, I will see you guys in the next video, which will probably be a channel trailer. So, goodbye!